Now, are you tired of dealing with a dirty pool and spending hours cleaning it?
And today we're comparing three of the top robotic pool cleaners on the market: the Beatbot AquaSense 2, the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, and the Dolphin Premier. We'll break down the features, test their cleaning performance, and see which one gives you the best bang for your buck.
Now, let's dive in and see.
Which one is worth your investment?
Now, straight out of the box, the AquaSense 2 is sleek, well built, and packed with advanced technology. Now, Beatbot, the world's #1 high-end robotic pool cleaning brand, has taken smart pool cleaning care to a whole new level with this model. Now, before we put this beast to the test, let's talk about what makes it stand out. The AquaSense 2 is designed for complete cleaning.
Its key features highlights the four high-efficiency motors for powerful scrubbing and suction, cordless design with a wireless charging dock, safer and more convenient than plug-in chargers. Top access debris basket makes maintenance so much easier, and the advanced sensor technology with 16 smart sensors, including ultrasonic ones. Compared to the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro and Dolphin Premier, the AquaSense 2 is the only one that combines four motors, wireless charging, and advanced obstacle detection. But specs alone don't tell the full story. Let's put these to the test. Now, we rented a pool because I don't have a pool myself. And if you are locally in Edmonton, you can rent this one for yourself as well. I like it because it's a private pool. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in this, and I'll link it in the description below so you can check it out. So to start cleaning with the AquaSense 2, you press the power button, hold it for 2 seconds. Once it turns green, then you can click which mode you want. There is two buttons that you can use: the floor only or the standard mode. And then after that, once you've selected your mode, you just throw it in the water. Now for coverage and cleaning patterns, the AquaSense 2 follows an S pattern on floors and the N pattern for walls and waterline, ensuring full coverage. It's also a smart robot, so it knows where it is in the water, using its sensors to see where it's at. Now, this is similar to the Aiper, except it has less sensors, so sometimes it gets lost in my experience. It does follow an end pattern on the floor and end pattern on the walls as well, but sometimes it would get lost and it would just do a random spot, which makes it miss some spots. Now, the Dolphin Premier is just random altogether. When it's cleaning, it'll do one spot and then it'll go to the other spot. And in my opinion, that is not very efficient, and it will definitely miss a lot of spots because it's only relying on random movements. Now to set up the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, there's a power button up top and a few buttons to change the mode. It's Wi-Fi connected as well, and there's an app that you can use to control the robot. Now the problem with this app is it's not so intensive compared to the Beatbot app. If we're looking at both apps here, both apps have the floor mode and the standard mode and also the eco mode. But on the Beatbot app, it has the multi-zone mode and also the park mode, where the AquaSense 2 will park on the surface of the water so that it's easier to take it out of the water. So in my opinion, AquaSense 2 does this better. Now this is where it gets interesting, the waterline scrubbing. Now this is pretty cool. When I tested it, the Aiper and the Dolphin uses a single pass, but it does a horizontal cleaning, while the AquaSense 2 does a double pass scrubbing, ensuring better stain removal. Also, it comes up out of the waterline higher than the Aiper and the Dolphin. I would like to mention as well that the Aiper is a little bit heavier than the Beatbot AquaSense 2, which weighs about 23.08 pounds, and the Aiper is a little bit heavier at 25.8 pounds. So when it comes to wall cleaning and waterline cleaning, sometimes if the pool, like in this case, has a bottom slope, the Aiper sometimes would not stick right to the corner of it because it's on an angle, and it has a hard time doing the walls because of it. The Dolphin weighs about 20.28 pounds, and this is surprising because it has no batteries. Now the Dolphin is even worse because it has no sensors. It does struggle coming up of the sides. I think it's because of the cord, and it wouldn't sense the ladder of the pool, so it would just run over it and it would get stuck there, so I had to pull it out. Since we're in the topic, to set up the Dolphin Premier, I find it was a lot harder than the AquaSense 2 and the Scuba S1 Pro. It's just because the cord is just not ideal. It's also like a hose style of cord to make it waterproof. And the problem with this is, you know how you string out hoses in your homes, and it's kind of a struggle without a wheel. That's gonna be the same problem as you're gonna have here, and it's definitely not recommended. One good thing from it though, I guess, is you don't have to charge it. It's good to go as long as you have power. Which brings us to speed and efficiency. So you know how long it took me to set up the Dolphin Premier. That's definitely the least efficient and speedy type of setup here. And also it takes longer for it to go around. The cords also gets in the way, and it depends on where your plug is and how big your pool might be. It might not be long enough to clean the whole pool. Now the Aiper kind of struggles with like the corners and the slope of this pool. If it comes up on the side and it's kind of an angle, it wasn't able to come up to it very well. But I didn't have any problems with the AquaSense 2, cleaning it faster and smarter as well. It's also able to clean thoroughly compared to the other ones. The best part about it is when it finished cleaning, it actually parks itself where you're able to reach it, so you don't need the hook to take it out of the water. The Scuba S1 Pro and the Dolphin Premier, you definitely need the hook because after the job is done, it just kind of stays underneath the pool. And I don't like that very much because yes, the AquaSense 2 and also the Scuba S1 Pro came with the hook. It's definitely more convenient if it just parks itself by the waterline. After the cleaning cycle, you'll need to empty the filter. The AquaSense 2 makes this super simple with a top access filter. Same with the Scuba S1 Pro. Just pop it out, rinse, and you're done. Now, unlike the Dolphin Premier that requires flipping the unit over to clean out the filter, the design of the AquaSense 2 and the Scuba S1 Pro makes maintenance effortless. Now, when it comes to battery life, the AquaSense 2 can go up to 4 hours. The Aiper Scuba S1 Pro can only do 3 hours. The Dolphin Premier has the 50-foot cord to power it up. So this is the spec sheet for the nerds out there who wants to see it all compared to each other, right? So the AquaSense 2 here has a price point for $1,500, and it has a bigger battery with a cleaning range of 30 to 30 square footage. It has 4 motors. It also has 4 wide design brushes. It does a double pass waterline scrubbing. And I think the best feature is the smart surface parking. It's cordless, and also you can wireless charge it, and a battery up to 4 hours. Now the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro is heavier, yet it has a smaller battery and it can only cover 2150 square footage. It is only $1,200. It has 3 motors, 4 standard brushes. It can only do single pass horizontal waterline scrubbing. It doesn't have the smart surface parking. It's also cordless, and there's an optional, which doesn't come in the box, the wireless charging. The battery life only comes up to 3 hours. Now the Dolphin Premier is actually the most expensive here at $1,800. Again, with the 50-foot cord, 2 motors only, and 2 brushes. It does a waterline single pass horizontal scrubbing, and yet it doesn't come up as high as the Aiper. It doesn't have smart surface parking. It's not cordless. It doesn't have wireless charging as well, and again, it is corded. Now this pool wasn't dirty in the surface, but I picked up so much stuff, so much sand and little debris from this cleaning cycle. It makes you wonder how much dirt is really down there. And just to show that, this is what I got from the Beatbot. And that's pretty crazy considering the pool is well maintained and it's an indoor pool.
Now clearly the AquaSense 2 is the most advanced option, offering superior coverage, better waterline cleaning, and smart retrieval features that competitors simply don't have. Now, but honestly, considering the features and smart technology you're getting, the value is totally worth it. So, is the Beatbot AquaSense 2 worth it? Absolutely. Now, if you want a hassle-free, smart, and powerful robotic pool cleaner that delivers top-notch performance, this is the one to get. And you know what the best part is? It officially launches on February 10th with a limited time early bird discount of 30% off. Get yours at the Beatbot official store, or you can get it on Amazon. Links are in the description. Now, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments, do you have a pool and would you upgrade to a smart pool cleaner like this? Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!